Oh. Ta-da! Welcome back to Chase Outdoors. We made it. This is probably my favorite little lake here. Killer fishing. Gonna do a solo overnight out here. Gonna see if we can catch a fish before the sun goes down. Then we'll go find a camp spot. Try the fly rod real quick. Starting to chill down. Oh yeah, this looks fire though. Got one. Little guy. Got one. Got one. Yeah, little tiger. It might be time to head back. Get camp set up. Got a couple fish. That's cool. My hands are absolutely freezing. Beautiful night though. Cool colors going on. Just really cold. Time to go make a fire. Hands are frozen. Well, we made it. I'm gonna have a cold beverage. Cheers. I think it's like 34 degrees. It's a little chilly. Feels really good next to the fire though. It's only 6:30. Good old time change. It got dark at like 5:30. I miss the summer. But this is nice because there's no bugs or anything. Winter camping's cool too. It's nice just to chill out. Listen to the fire. Not really do anything. There's definitely something about it that's just therapeutic. I don't know. Alright, we're gonna make some dinner. It's like this is simple potatoes, sausage, and green beans in a foil packet. Get the sausage. Get our drink out. Got the Leatherman Arc here. Been fantastic. Just cut these up in small portions here. And tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Thought about doing like a Thanksgiving dinner out here, but nah. Let's get some sausage going here. I don't think I'm gonna use this whole thing. Let's do like half. I think my next purchase is going to be a hot tent with a little wood stove. It just sounds fun. We could be inside that thing cutting or making some dinner. That's the other nice thing is your drink stays cold when you're winter camping. Some seasoning. Let's get some tin foil. Brand new thing of tin foil. Potatoes down. Sausage. Spoon will work, maybe. I'm gonna go in with some Danos. Danos Original. Pretty good stuff. A lot of flavor. That fire feels fantastic. 7:16. So we'll see. Oh, lost the drink. Dinner's on the fire. Pretty hot. It shouldn't take too long. I think we'll eat some food and hang out for a minute by the fire, and then really crawl in there and watch a movie. I'm gonna try a diesel heater out tonight. See how it works. I made it in a little Harbor Freight box. Got it plumbed up through the truck. Should heat up the back pretty good. We'll see. Hopefully it even fires up, because these things are finicky. It's so nice being out here. You can see so many stars compared to the city. It was cool. We caught 2 fish though. Kind of got here a little late, especially with the time change. It gets dark so fast. We made it work. We got a couple, so it's better than nothing. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so gotta kind of be home a little early. Solo camping's different. It's nice, but it's weird not having other people with you. It's nice to have someone to talk to and, you know, have some drinks with and enjoy the fire, enjoy the food. But other times it is nice to just be alone, gather your thoughts. You know, it's quiet. Like right now, this is nice. No one bothering me. There's some sketchy cars driving around. I don't know if they're rabbit hunting or what they're doing, but they're not bothering me, so I don't care. It's nice to have a quick setup and tear down system, because if you do get freaked out or something happens during the night, you can pack up real quick and get out of here if you need to. That's why I like this setup, because it's simple. I got like 4 things to throw in the back of the truck, dump some water on the fire, and you're out of here within a couple minutes. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I think that food's got to be getting done now. Oh, it smells so good. I say we check it. Check it out. Can't go wrong with a foil packet out in the boonies either. Or a foil mill, I guess. Oh, yeah. Green beans are like mush. It's alright. Fork here. I'm just gonna eat this right off the cutting board. Let's push this off. Oh, this smells bomb. Let's give it a shot here. Really good. Dano's seasoning. Can't beat it. Hot. Well, I'm gonna enjoy this. I'll get back with you in a second. Oh, that was a good meal. I am full now. think we're just gonna let the fire burn out and fire the heater up and watch a movie for an hour or so. This light here is really nice. Devos Light Ranger. Camera doesn't really do it justice, but it lights up the whole area. I just got it sitting on my truck, but it is a bright little thing. Camera definitely doesn't do it justice. It's been a while since I've done a solo trip. Hoping to get back out and do more of them, especially winter camping. I want to get out and test the back of this truck setup. Well, she's on. So I just got it sitting under here. Then it runs up through under the fender. You can see it. There we go. Up into the truck. That way when I close this up, it's all enclosed and nice and cozy. So we'll see how it works. That's the idea anyway. But pretty simple setup. See how it goes. Give it a sec to fire up. Roaring now. And I got the inlet just right there. So it should heat it up pretty nice. Sounds like it's gonna blow up at the start and then it calms down. Yeah, this is actually really nice. Got plenty of leg room. This is in a soft topper and it's hot in here. This is awesome. Yeah, this is gonna be really nice. That's what's nice about these diesel heaters is it's just dry air. So you don't wake up with condensation on everything, and like those buddy heaters, you wake up and everything's soaked. This is just dry, hot air. Really nice. Yeah, this is comfortable. I'm 5'11", and I fit perfect. This is great. This doesn't feel like a 5-foot Tacoma. Well, I think I'm just gonna chill here and watch a movie. If anything exciting happens, I'll let you know, but if not, I'll see you in the morning for some coffee. Well, good morning. We survived. There was a ton of coyotes out. Super comfortable, super warm. I actually started sweating. Probably didn't even need the sleeping bag. Yeah, that was awesome. It's gotta be, oh, it's 33 degrees outside. It's just toasty warm in here right now. This is gorgeous morning. Ice cold out there. I'm not ready to get out into the cold though. Feels too good in here. Well, good morning. I haven't even made coffee. Just been sitting out, watching the sunrise. It's been really nice. But it is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I think I'm gonna pack up and get on out of here. Maybe get a coffee on the way out. Well, we made it to the main road. I think we're gonna end the video here. Super comfortable setup. Pretty happy with that. It was fun. We caught some fish, made some good food. I enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it too. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like it, subscribe. I appreciate it. On to the next.